This video will show you how to change Google Play country in Android devices. So what you need to do is you need to download NordVPN app, and this app have the ability to change your IP and your location to another country. So before I turn on NordVPN, what I need to do is I need to click on the settings on the right top corner on the icon settings and scroll down and click on the apps right here. And you need to search on Google Play right here and tap on storage right here and tap on clear data, and we need to clear data and clear cache. So when we turn on the NordVPN or click on it, we can change it easily. And from here, as you see, I can choose any country I want. They have a lot of countries and cities and state as well, as you see. So I will choose, for example, United Kingdom. I will tap on it. I will tap on United Kingdom, and as you see now, I am connected to United Kingdom, to London IP. And so when I click on the Play Store right here really quick, and as you see now, I am using Google Play United Kingdom. And if I click on my profile on the right top corner and tap on the settings, on general, tap on account and device preferences, and as you see, he said switched to the United Kingdom Play Store, and now I'm using United Kingdom Google Play Store, and that's it. This is how we do it. So you can use not only NordVPN app, you can use Proton VPN app and Surfshark VPN and Private VPN and other apps. I will put the links in the description, and if you click on my link in the description, you will have massive discount. And that's it. Please don't forget to click on my links in the description to download these apps, and that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.